Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I've got a couple of packages we're going to quickly pop open, and it is another Gunpla Delivery video with actually, I think, not really any actual Gunpla in it. But this first one is a box that was sent to me by a guy, Darrel, who wanted to just send this kit to me just for fun. So thank you to him for that. I had already popped open the box just to check what it was actually in here. And so just the kit here. This is the Electro-Motive style injection machine. So this is a model kit of the machine that Bandai uses to make model kits. And put a little note in here. You'll notice that the note paper is cut out in the shape of Char saluting there. That's pretty interesting here. But he said, I hope you enjoy the kits. It's a lot of parts. I hope you have enough workspace for it. Yes, a little bit of sarcasm there, as this kit is quite small. It's a 160 scale, which is a pretty odd scale for this, I suppose. For something of, it's kind of like a scale model of something. I would expect it to be like 135th or 120th, but I'll do a full video on this, probably an unboxing and review of all-in-one video, showing you guys that later on. But thank you very much, Darrel, for sending that to me. That's really cool. And this next box is from Japan. It's stuff that my buddy there, Ricardo, helped me get. So it's stuff that I bought, or I repaid him for. He just helped me to get it. So there's some really cool stuff in here. The first thing, let's just get right into this thing, which I'm super excited for. It is the Raw DX figure here of Sochie Haim. If you guys are unfamiliar, I'm a big fan of Turn A. I'm especially a big fan of Sochie Haim. So I actually have this figure of Laurent. So now I have the Sochie figure to go along with this. I've been wanting this for a long time, and I was actually like just about, like literally the day before Ricardo messaged me about this, I was just looking at this kit and I was just about to buy it for, I think, around like 40 or 50 bucks like that. I think it was around 50 bucks like that on Amazon. I still had the tab open on my computer while I was still just kind of thinking about it. And then the next day I get a message from Ricardo, and he said that he found this for 2,600 yen at a shop, and he knows I'm a big fan of the character, so he found that for me. Very cool. Next couple things are a couple of P Bandai items that he helped me get. So this first one is the Converge Core Phaz. So I'll do a separate little video showing you guys this later on, but it's just the same Full Armor Double Zeta that we took a look at in a past video. This is the Phaz version, so we'll take a look at that. And this was also a P Bandai item. This is, so what's the name of this series? High Grade Real Figure Girls Vidal. So this is Vidal from Dragon Ball Z. And yeah, it's HG Girls, but it's not a model kit. So for whatever reason, Bandai just reusing the high grade title for these. But it's just a small little scale. I think these are like was definitely very small. So it's gonna be like 1/10 scale maybe. So yeah, it's definitely small. It's smaller than I was expecting, but hey, that's still pretty cool. It looks nice. I like that quite a bit. There was another one in this series too. There was two of them. I can't remember now suddenly offhand. I think the other one was Bulma, and for some reason I didn't get that one. These were pretty pricey. They were like around 20 bucks or something like that. So not the cheapest things in the world. Later on, while I'm in Japan, if I come across the other one, I might pick it up, but I just got that one for the time being. And the last thing here is another minimum factory kit. So I've got two of these now. This is the third one. This one is of Lin Minmei in the China dress version from Macross. These are just little 1/20 scale plastic figures from Max Factory. So you can see how that looks. The actual expression on the model kit isn't quite as goofy as the one for the box art there, but on the model kit it actually looks pretty cool. So there you can see like how it looks unpainted versus how it's going to look painted. So it's just a really cool, just little 1/20 scale figure. So that'll look nice when that's all painted up. And that's it. So that's it, just a pretty small, simple delivery of just a few items there, a few things to build, and a few things just to throw up on the shelf. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave any other further questions, comments about any of this stuff you guys might have there down below. As always, guys, hope you're having a great day. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.